we have to look at the map showing the journey of Amerindians. We all know that the name of the bridge was Bering Strait. So we have the map showing the Bering Land Bridge. This map shows how the bridge is connected to the continents of Asia and North America, where our ancestors are, as we know, Amerindians, reached North America by walking across the bridge. Okay, you have to follow me there on your maps that I have given you. So you can see, you remember Amerindians came from Asia. At the top of your map is Asia, and the Bering Bridge is a frozen ice, right? So you can see here with the blue arrows and the red arrows there. Okay, the blue arrows is the overland route, and the red arrow is a coastal route. So as you see here, this big frozen ice was called Bering Strait, right? The bridge that they crossed over. So they had to walk over here. They had to look for food. They were searching for it. Remember, all the place was frozen. So they were looking for food. That is how Amerindians had to reach South America. You can see the arrows. Some reach through there, some reach through here, but end up finding South America. Some come through the coastal, that is your red arrows, but they still had to end up crossing the bridge, right? And the blue one too. So they come here and the South America is here. That is how Amerindians, or our ancestors, had to cross the bridge. And we have to know how the journey was. Remember, this was frozen. Everything was frozen. So the place was so cold. The wind whistled that day as they crossed over the Bering Strait from Asia into North America. So before they reached the South America, they had to reach North America first, then to South America in search of food. Their feet numb by the ice, and you already know how ice is very cold. While they followed herds of animals from one feeding ground to the next in search of place to call their home. The tribes traveled farther south until they reached Mexico and Florida, at which point one group continued the southward march. You see, they had to go this side, and you can see the arrows coming straight to South America, right? Yes. And march through the Isthmus of Panama and into South America. But I don't have the Panama here. Yes. While another took the sea route and started to colonize the West Indian Islands before the Amerindians discovered the golden city of El Dorado, that is now called Guyana. They journeyed along the ice-cold sea after the land bridge had disappeared. The journey began approximately 12,000 years ago, as they traveled from Asia to the Americas via the Bering Strait Bridge, which connected the two continents across what is now the Bering Strait. Well, that they call it land bridge during the Fourth Ice Age in search of food.